Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. With both sides facing the camera, spin your right arm in, then your left arm, then spin your right arm in again and point down, bending your knees a bit. Jump slightly, bringing your left foot down away from the camera and then your right foot down toward the camera so that you are facing to the left, and then move your fists out in front of you, keeping your elbows bent. Bring your right hand up to your forehead and your left hand down near your right side, both palms facing out as you lean away from the camera, then towards it. Turn back to face the camera as you put your left hand on your hip, point up and to the right with your right hand, and lift your left foot off the floor. Bring your right hand and left foot back in. Kick back into the right with your right foot, then bring your foot back in before bringing it down over to the left. Step back out to the right with your right foot, then step in place with your left foot before stepping behind your left foot with your right foot. Bring your feet back together. For the next 2 counts, cover your ears on the green side and cover your eyes on the red side. On both sides, bring your left arm horizontally in front of your chest and rest your right elbow on your left fist. Spread the fingers of your right hand and move it quickly across your mouth and back as you turn your head to the left, then back, and turn your knees, slightly bent out to either side, then back in. Jump up a bit, bringing your feet apart and bending your knees slightly as you look down and tap the sides of your head twice. Put one hand flat out in front of you, palm facing the camera, then do the same with the other hand. Keeping them flat, move the first hand, then the second, then pull both hands in one direction and move your head in the opposite direction. Move your hands in this manner as you switch places again. Then do a knocking motion toward the camera twice with your right hand. On both sides, look away from the center, then look toward the center before moving off screen. Move back out into your dance area so that the red and green sides are back to back, and bring your arms up with your elbows bent. Turn your heels out, then in, then out, moving toward the camera, then bring the knee that is furthest from the camera up. Do these movements in the opposite direction. Move your heels as before as you move back toward the camera, but this time, instead of bringing your knee up, look toward the center for 2 counts. Point to your head with both hands with your elbows pointing out to either side, and hop in place as you turn to the left for 8 counts. Hop in place as you spin your arms clockwise so that your left fist is straight out to the left and your right fist is in front of your chest. Repeat this in the opposite direction, then repeat it again on the left and again on the right. Move your feet apart and bounce slightly as you bring your left arm horizontally across your chest and rest your right elbow on your left hand. On the red side, lean to the left, and on the green side, lean to the right. Move over to the right on the red side and over to the left on the green side. With your left hand on your right wrist, turn your right knee out, then back in, and move your hands in the same direction. Now turn your left knee out, then back in as you move your left hand along with it. Put your hands in your pockets. On the green side, swing your head to the right, then left. Now do the same on the red side. Do this again on the green side, then the red side, then the green side, then the red side again. On both sides, bring your right elbow up, then your left elbow, then turn your head in a counterclockwise circle. Step in with one foot, then bring the other over to meet it. On the red side, bend your left knee and bring your left elbow up as you drop your right shoulder, while on the green side, you put your left fist on your hip and bring your right fist up near your right shoulder, then move it in front of your mouth. Wait for a moment, then clap in time with the music and mime a conversation during the speaking parts. For the last 2 counts, look away from the camera, then back towards it.
逆にもっといっぱい待ってちょうだいカリンかマリンか弦を弾いてこんな感情どうしようか大丈夫だ教えてくれないか
Repeat Section 3 of Part 2. Repeat Section 4 of Part 2, but instead of spinning your hands in, wave on the green side and go off screen while you turn to the left and roll your arms quickly on the red side. With the green side still off screen, walk to the center on the red side for the first 8 counts. Freestyle on the red side for the next 8 counts before moving off screen. Come back on screen on the green side. For the next 8 counts, freestyle on the green side. Come back on screen on the red side. On both sides, while facing the center, swing your right arm back, then up and around, bringing it down as you slide your feet apart until you are kneeling on your right knee. Shake your fist down twice, then slide your feet together until you are standing up again. Twirl your hands around each other as you move to the right, then back to the left. Shake your right fist twice, then move your left arm so that it is horizontally in front of your chest. Move your right hand inward around your left arm twice. Punch up and to the right with your left fist, then up and to the left with your right fist, then up and to the right with your left fist again, and up and to the left with your right fist again. For the next 8 counts, do any fast movements you'd like. End by standing with your back facing the camera and your right hand out, fingers spread out on the red side, and by kneeling on your left knee with your back facing the camera and your left hand out, fingers spread out on the green side. Matryoshka